4 years of waiting has come down to this one moment. That's why I just posted 46-minute video talking about all the metrics of what could be happening next. I shared this with you guys on YouTube the past couple weeks, and the pattern played out. The previous consolidation zone that we had a resistance and had a 1, 2, 3, 4 touch. That fourth touch pushed us into a parabolic phase. Where we're currently sitting is in the parabolic move of the exact same fourth phase. What's happening this morning, guys, is not something to freak out about. It is just simply institutions taking out long trade liquidation to the downside. Now, I've told you guys on YouTube, there is a level coming up here, $114,000. Do you guys understand between $114,000 and $115,000, this level has never been broken in the history of Bitcoin? In fact, it has actually been what has called the tops of cryptocurrency before a 50, 60, 70, even to the tune of an 80% drawdown has happened in the market. While bulls are finding all the analysis that convinces them that we're just going to keep heading up, I feel like many people are neglecting the tragic event here that could happen of us hitting a resistance that's never been broken on Bitcoin or USD T.D that could send this market plummeting back down. This morning, we are going to talk about this. Guys, head to a coffee shop, spend some time at home, go to tradeconfident.io, watch the future forecast. If you guys are not a member, enjoy 25% off. It's in the description. Click on future forecast, May 23rd. Bitcoin is literally, I'll make this bigger for you guys. We are 4.5% away from going parabolic or plummeting. There are metrics I've never come close to showing you guys on YouTube here that say we could be going into a 50 to 80% drawdown after this phase. At the same time, you cannot deny that there are signs, ultra bullish signs, that altcoins could actually explode 300 to 600% right now. Guys, this is one of the quietest all-time highs that I've seen, and that's usually a precursor that retail didn't load up as much as everyone thought. That's a good sign, okay? There's a chart that I want to show you guys. Let me refresh this so I can get back to the thumbnail that I actually posted. You waited 4 years, guys, for this moment. This line right here is the most important line you need to be paying attention to. I'm not giving it away here. I'm honoring our members who've been with us for years, and we've been teaching them this. If you want to see all the charts that have called the parabolic moves in the past and what needs to happen for Bitcoin to take off, what happens for your altcoin bag to take off, you need to watch this future forecast, guys. This is not clickbait. I've had 10 years in the market. We are at a pivotal moment here where I literally called this out to our members and I said, guys, I'm asking you to pray because I'm asking the Lord for prophetic insight right now. This is either a moment where the market will literally crash, and I am talking, guys, a significant crash, where the market will hit this trend line. Let me draw this out so you guys can see actually the crucialness of this, okay? We are either going to hit a trend line where this market will plummet 50% maybe a smaller pullback of 30%. But then there's also a sign that the linchpins are starting to be pulled right now and the explosion phase could actually start happening and we could be seeing the next move up. Do you guys understand in the previous markets that it's taken an average between about 25 to 30 days to double the price of Bitcoin when we officially go into its parabolic move? That could be coming next. How do you decipher if a trend line that's never been broken before is actually going to break or if we're going to go to the top side? You need multiple points of what we call confluence. And I'm going to give you those today. Okay? This is where everything changes. Everything changes in a moment for traders if they understand how to navigate what happens next. We have currently not broken down below support, so I'm not freaking out at all. But I am in the market. I'm like 99% of all the cash is in the market. And what happens next creates generational wealth. Or you have to wait another 4 years for what's coming. Every single market cycle top has been called with one trend line. And we are 4.5% away from that. Watch this future forecast as soon as you can. I will unpack everything that I am doing and show you guys the signs you need to be watching for to make the next smartest moves for your portfolio. Guys, I'm asking you to take this seriously because I think it needs to be taken very seriously. And I'm actually going to pin this to the front of the website because I think we need to have everybody see this. First link in the description. There's a pop-up at the end of the video. I will see you guys. Enjoy this at a coffee shop. Watch this at your house. Prepare for what's going to happen this weekend because it can all happen in the next 24, 48 hours. All right, and I'll share with you guys also real quick where I expect the top to be before these prophetic words about a crash coming. I think we may have found where that peak is. And I'll show you guys with corroborating data of a prophetic word that I got, as well as data from the stock market and cryptocurrency. I will show that to you guys right in the beginning of the video. I love you guys. TradeConfident.io. Use the 25% off. Watch the future forecast on May 23rd. This will bless you guys. Bye-bye.